Janine Gutierrez aminado, marami kaming kakaibang ginagawa ni Echo. Hello mga ka-Celebrity Hub! Ready na ba kayo sa bagong pasabog sa showbiz world? Kasi ang love team ng taon, Janine Gutierrez and Jericho Rosales, muling pinag-uusapan matapos ang nakakakilig at nakakagulat na revelasyon ni Janine. Sa isang recent interview, aminado ang aktres na kapag sila ni Echo ay magkasama, maraming kakaiba kaming ginagawa. Kakaiba paano? Let's spill the tea. From date nights to deep talks. Hindi daw sila mahilig sa usual glam dates or red carpet appearances. Mas gusto nila yung mga out-of-the-box bonding moments, kagaya ng museum hopping, spontaneous road trips, at random nature walks. Minsan daw, nagkukwentuhan lang sila ng tuloy-tuloy hanggang madaling araw, no phones, no cameras, just them. Creative souls unite. Janine shared na pareho silang mahilig mag-explore ng art and music. May mga gabi raw na they just jam together, Echo with his guitar, Janine with her poems or lyrics. Minsan parang hindi date, parang workshop, pero super saya, Janine said with a laugh. Weird but sweet moments. At eto ang pinakakakaiba, minsan daw, they invent their own mini-games sa bahay. Like kung sino ang makakahanap ng pinaka-weird na trivia online or gumawa ng kwentong barbero on the spot. It's silly, but it's ours, Janine added. And honestly, ang saya lang pakinggan. True love, no pressure. Despite all the rumors about proposals and wedding bells, Janine said they're just enjoying every moment. Wala raw silang pressure, ang importante, masaya sila at totoo sa isa't isa. Kung ang kakaiba na sinasabi ni Janine ay honesty, creativity, at kalokohang may lamang, isa na lahat ng love story, ganito ka-refreshing. So mga ka-Celebrity Hub, Team Jan Echo na ba kayo? Comment down below kung anong kakaibang bonding moment nyo ang gusto nyong makita sa kanila next. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive stories about your favorite stars.